Hi everybody, welcome to Family English with Mr. Kabada. This time I'm going to present one of the basic sentence error which affects sentence clarity. That's identifying of fragments. Actually, I have published two lessons focusing on how fragments happened and how does it affect sentence clarity, and what are some of the basic strategies which correct one's fragment. So this is the third lesson actually. This is the third lesson. ዛሬ በዚህ ሌሰን የምናየው ፍራግመንትን እንዴት አይደንቲፋይ እናደርጋለን። Simply my method of presentation is quite different from the previous. So I have already designed some 10 ways of identifying fragments. So I want to I want to show you about the best strategies of identifying fragments. Yes, right. Simply theoretical aspects ሳይሆን ፍራግመንት በጥያቄ መልክ እንዴት እንለየው እንችላለን፣ እንዴት አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ እንችላለን፣ እሱን ነው ማሳየት የምፈልገው። First of all, fragment ማለት incomplete thought ነው። Maybe there might be a phrase ሊሆን ይችላል፣ clause ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ከዚህ ውጭ አይደለም። Maybe word ሊሆን አይችልም። actually fragment ማለት phrase ሊሆን ይችላል፣ either clause ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ነገር ግን incomplete የሆነ ማለት ነው። incomplete that means complete ያልሆነ ወይም complete ያልሆነም ስንል ሙሉ ትርጉም የማይሰጥ ማለት ነው። ፍራግመንት ማለት በሁለት ኮማ የማያስፈልገው የሚያስፈልግ something ምናምን አይደለም። ለምሳሌ she is able is a fragment ነው, because we can't get anything from she is. Although I know her ስንል although I know her which is dependent, it doesn't get complete sense actually, because it needs main clause. All right, so this is called fragment. ጽንሰ ሐሳብ ፍራግመንት ነው። ስለዚህ ፍራግመንት ከረን ኦን ይለያል፣ ፍራግመንት ከሚስፕሌስ ይለያል፣ ፍራግመንት ከማስፕሬስ ይለያል፣ ኩላቨን ከፕሮናውን አንቲሲደንት ይለያል፣ ፍራግመንት ከዳንግሊንግ ሞዲፋየር ይለያል፣ ፍራግመንት ከሰብጀክት ቨርብ አግሪመንት ይለያል። ፍራግመንት ስንል ፍራግመንት ስፒች ማለት I couldn't get anything from his speech. He's totally distorted and fragmented. No complete thought that he present, no complete thought that he preaches, right? ምንም ሙሉ ሐሳብ አያስተላልፍም ወሬው ወይም ሰበካው። So that kind of sentence error is called fragment actually. How fragment happens? Actually no subject ሊሆን ይችላል. All right, no subject ሊሆን ይችላል። subject እንዴት ሊፈጠር ይችላል? fragment subject ላይኖረው ይችላል። ሁለተኛ no verb. okay, ምን ላይኖረው ይችላል? verb ላይኖረው ይችላል። subject አለው ለምሳሌ the teacher, no subject. teaches us English, yes, teaches us English, yes, SQTN teaches us English. What do you get from this one? Teaches us English mean, is there any subject who teaches us English? No answer is given here. Okay, teaches us English, because the subjects are just incomplete, missed. ይሄ ፍራግመንት ነው፣ subject የለውም። the teacher here ለምሳሌ the teacher እንደዚህ ብዬ ባስቀምጠው what's the teacher here? the teacher, what does the teacher do? no action is written here. all right, action የለውም፣ ስለዚህ ፍራግመንት ነው። number 1 participle phrase ለምሳሌ when she comes, when she comes, like this እንደዚህ ባስቀምጠው participle phrase ታይም ነው የሚገልጽ when she comes. or you can say that although I know him ብዬ ባስቀምጠው እዚህ ጋር could you get anything from this one? could you get anything from this one please? although I know him ብዬ ባስቀምጥ ትርጉም አለው? no meaning። ምንድናቸው እነዚህ? participle phrase ናቸው። ወይ ምን አይነት participle? ይሄኛው adverbial phrase ነው ወይ clause ነው ማለት ፈልጌ ነው። yes, clauses are clauses. adverbial clauses, adverbial clause. yes, clause እንላቸዋል። እነዚህ adverbial clauses ብቻቸውን complete sense ሊሰጡን አይችሉም። when she comes ስትሉ adverbial clause of time ነው። although I know him adverbial clause of contrast ነው። እነዚህ ብቻቸውን ትርጉም ሊሰጡ አይችሉም። ስለዚህ adverb clause በራሱ ፍራግመንት ይሆናል። ምንድነው? main clause የለውም ማለት ነው አይደል? ለምሳሌ infinitive phrase example to do better ለምሳሌ በሪያ to do better the phrase begins with an infinitive. no completion here, so it needs main clause. so it's a kind of fragment ስለዚህ fragment በኢንፊኒቲ ፍሬዝ ሊከሰት ይችላል ሊፈጠር ይችላል what about gerunds ለምሳሌ gerund ለምሳሌ gerund ላይ ለምሳሌ just playing or just or exercising or listening yes listening music yeah can you get anything from this listening music the phrase begins with a gerund all right በgerund ነው የጀመረው ይሄን ነገር ማግኘት እንችላለን አናገኝም አይደል so that's right number 6 ለምሳሌ dangling yes dangling modifier ሊጀምር ይችላል yes right or ለምሳሌ watering the flowers እንደዚህ ባስቀምጡ አሁን is it possible to get anything from this structure you can get yes watering the flowers then what ምንድነው ቀጣይ የሚመጣው የሚያገልጸው ነገር አለ we cannot get anything this called examples of fragment ናቸው እነዚህ examples of fragment ናቸው ሌላ ምሳሌ አስቀምጥ ይችላልው he teaches ለምሳሌ እንደዚህ ብል this also a fragment in writing skill fragment ነው ማለት ነው right ምክንያቱም completion what does he የሚለው ነገር አይመልስም ኦብጀክቱ ማን ነው ምንድነው የሚያደርገው ምንድነው የሚያስተምረው this also a fragment complete sense አይሰጠንም ስለዚህ fragment በእነዚህ መንገዶች ሊከሰት ይችላል please sometimes እንደዚህ ሊጀምር ይችላል so ሊብል ይችላል ለምሳሌ conjunctions conjunction ለምሳሌ so I will get good mark ብል look here so I would get good mark የናሳቢት so I will get good mark to get anything from this one nothing here because በምን ጀመረ በconjunction ጀመረ እዚህ ጋር ታያችኋል conjunction ነው ጀመረ ስለዚህ ምን ይፈልጋል ይሄ cause ይፈልጋል ይሄ clause cause አልተገለጸም so I will get good mark independent and dependent clause ነው እነዚህ ዋና መንገዶች ናቸው ለፍራግመንት መፈጠሪያ መንገዶች so አንድ አረፍተ ነገር እንደዚህ ብዬ ብጽፍ ምንም ነገር ልናገኝ አልችልም ነው nice based on this place በእነዚህ እንካየን በኋላ እስኪ ወደ ጥያቄዎች ላይ ልምጣና ጥያቄዎችን እየሰራን እንሂድ please ለምሳሌ question number 1 ምንድነው የሚላችሁ question number 1 identification questions ነው identification means which one of the following sentence is a fragment now yes I give you some clues some hints because I have already presented or I have already published 2 videos focusing on fragment strategies of correcting fragment sentence this is the third lesson actually which of the following is a sentence fragment የትኛው ነው the dog barked loudly at the mailman of course subject verb object meaningful no this is not a fragment running as fast as she could toward the finish line what about this one number C newski she won the race of course meaningful no subject verb object they arrived on time meaningful no so the answer is what B ብላችሁ መልሱልኛላችሁ ማለት ነው yes B ብላችሁ መልሱልኛላችሁ please this B because running it begins with gerunds or በዳንግሊንግ modifier ነው ስለዚህ ምን ይፈልጋል implied subject ይፈልጋል እዚህ ጋር running as fast as she could toward the finish line then I'll continue just like that please ስለዚህ ይሄ ፍራግመንት ነው ሚኒንግ የለውም ሜን ክሎዝ ይፈልጋል ቅድም ያየነው ነገር ይሄ ነው ዳንግሊንግ አንድ ኮዝ ነው ፍራግመንት ለመፍጠር so that's the first question second question correction questions correction ምንድነው የሚላችሁ correction ማለት although she studied all night for the exam correction questions ይሄ ፍራግመንት ነው አረፍተ ነገር ሳይሆን ፍሬዝ ነው ወይም ክሎዝ ነው በምን ጀመረ በአድቨርቢያል ክሎዝ ጀመረ although she studied or he studied all night for the exam then what happened next please ቀጣይ ምንድነው የሚሆነው ገብቷችሁ አላለ ይሄ conjunction አለ ማለት dependent ነው ወይም subordinate clause ነው because it doesn't convey complete meaning ወይም it doesn't stand by itself በራሱ አይቆም ይሄን ከለየው በኋላ ለዚህ clause appropriate የሆነ ነገር ነው የምፈልገው like this እንደዚህ አድርጌ ላስተካክለው ይችላል although he studied all night for the exam she couldn't succeed yes ምንም እንኳን ለፈተና ስታጠና ብታድርም ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሚሆነው she she couldn't achieve her goal please achieve her goal ይሄው ጨረሳችሁ please yes although he studied all night for the exam he couldn't achieve his goal or he couldn't score good grades or you can say it ምን ትብታላችሁ he failed it yeah he failed the exam yes he failed the exam possible ነው ሌሎችም መልሶችን ማድረግ እንችላለን አሁን meaningful ነው ፍራግመንትን አስተካክላችሁ ስለዚህ first thing ፍራግመንት መሆኑን መለየት ሶስተኛው ትርጉሙን መለየትና ይሄን ሐሳብ ሊያስተካክል የሚችለው ነገር መፈለግ ነው this is the second question ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ አይነት ነው number 3 ሶስተኛውን ይዩት number 3 የሚጠይቃችሁ ምንድነው question number 3 yes what is why is the following group of words a fragment ነው የሚላችሁ እዚህ ጋር ተመልከቱ ያው the old broken clock on the dusty shelf the old broken clock on the dusty shelf can it be possibly get meaning from this no I can get here because there is something missing in a sentence what is the missing expression of የሚጠይቃችሁ yes miss የተደረገው ነገር ምንድነው ነው the missing of subject no it is missing of subject የለውም ነው የሚላችሁ but the old broken clock is the subject here okay pre-modification no subject ነው ይሄ that's right it's missing a verb ማን ነው እዚህ ጋር the old broken clock on the dusty shelf then what is the action here which word which phrase express about what the subject does ምን እንደሚሰራ የሚገልጽ action verb አለው no verb actually የለውም it begins with subordinating conjunction ውሸት ነው ይሄ በsubordinating conjunction አልጀመረም simply በnoun phrase ነው የጀመረው it is a complete sentence አይደለም ስለዚህ ምንድነው የጎደለው it is missing yeah it is missing of a verb nice the old broken clock on the dusty shelf is her ይሄው is her በቃ ያው ኮምፒውተር አደረጋችሁ so verb እና object ይጎለዋል ስለዚህ missing of verb ነው it means yeah one of the way that how fragment happens is there might be sometimes missing of verb ስለዚህ fragment ከሚፈጠርባቸው አንዳንድ መንገዶች ውስጥ verb አለመኖር fragment ይሆናል ሐሳቡ ምክንያቱም ትልቁን ትርጉም የሚሸከመው ግሱ ስለሆነ ማለት ነው number 4 combining sentence ነው ያ ይሄን አረፍተ ነገር እስኪ combine አድርጉት ነው ይሄ fragment ነው look here waiting for the bus in the freezing cold ይሄ ሙሉ አረፍተ ነገር ነው the children were shivering sentence ነው ይሄ fragment ነው you can get anything from this how can you combine it please ስለዚህ ምንድነው ታረጉት waiting for the children were shivering yeah the children were shivering while what when I was waiting for the bus in the freezing cold the children were shivering when they were complete argut yes yeah when they were the children were shivering when they were shivering or you can say it while they were shivering yes while they were shivering while they were shivering complete argut እዚህ ጋር yes ስለዚህ ምንድነው ያደረኩት እዚህ ጋር ይሄንን dangling modifier ወደ ምን ቀየርኩት ወደ clause ቀየርኩት what kind of clause adverbial clause what kind of adverbial time adverbial clause ቀየርኩት the children were shivering while they were waiting for the bus in the freezing cold አሁን እዚህ ጋር dangling modifier ነው of course right so it's parallel subject ነው ያለው ቶታሊ እንደዚህ አድርገን እናስተካክል እንችላለን ነው do you understand me yes ተረዳችሁ ይመስለኛል ስለዚህ sometimes fragment እንደዚህ ሊፈጠር ይችላል ሌላ መንገድም ይሆናል waiting for the bus in the freezing cold the children were waiting or waiting for simply እንደዚህ ማለት ይችላል no need to use a conjunction where ላልጠቀም ይችላል ያ question number 5 ላይ true or false ነው የሚላችሁ because she was tired is it true or false ነው የሚላችሁ is it true or false so you can say that what false ነው ምንለው አይደለ is false ነው አይደለ Is it true or false? It's false. Yes. ለምንድን ነው false የምትሉት? ምክንያቱም the clause begins what? በምን ጀመረ? በምንድን ነው የጀመረው? በconjunction ነው የጀመረው. Because she was tired. It's false ነው. Because and the what happened? Because the sentence begins, or the clause begins with reason. Because she was, look here. So I can write it. I can like just like this. እንዴት አድርጌ ልጻፈው አሁን? ይሄን ሐሳብ correct አድርጌ መጻፍ ይችላል. Because she was tired. Look here. Because she was tired. Because she was tired here. Yeah. Because she was tired. Sorry for the interruption. Because she was tired here. She was tired. She was tired, and then comma. She didn't go to work. She didn't go to work. Yeah. One way please here. Because she was tired, she didn't go to work. She didn't go to school. Because she was tired, she didn't attend the meeting. Because she was tired, she didn't visit the patients. That's meaningful please. ስለዚህ ምን ይፈልጋል ይሄ ሐሳብ? ሜን ክሎዝ ይፈልጋል። ሜን ክሎዝ ተከትለት አረፍተ ነገሩን ኮምፕሊት ሆነ ማለት ነው። ቅድም ያየነው መንገድ ይሄ ነው። true or false ነው? that's false. then correct it please. Next one please. yeah. ስድስተኛው choose the correct revision ነው ማለት ነው። የትኛው ነው ትክክለኛ የሆነ? እዚህ ጋር such as pizza, burgers and what? fries ይላቸዋል. yes. such as pizza, burgers and fries ይላቸዋል. How can you just write correctly using these words and phrases? Meaningless no, of course. Such as pizza, burgers and fries. No meaning at all. It's a fragment. ይሄንን ሐሳብ አስተካክሎ ሊገልጽ የሚችለው የትኛው ነው? such as pizza, burgers and fries. no meaning because there is no subject verb የለም. pizza, burgers, fries, such as. impossible. We cannot say this such as at the end of the sentence. impossible. The menu included classic fast food items such as pizza, burgers and fries. yes, right. such as pizza. I want to. So the answer is what? The answer here C ነው። ምክንያቱም ምን ይፈልጋል ይሄ? ሜኑ ሰብጀክት ነው። included verb ነው። classic በነገራችን ላይ such as pizza, burgers and fries ማለት they are examples of a sentence. They are examples of the main clause. They are examples of the unknown sentence here. They are food items, so there is just main clause which is missed here. okay ይሄን ምሳሌ ካየው even የኮምፕሊት ማድረግ ይችላልው። ኮምፕሊት ማድረግ ይችላል። እነዚህ ኤግዛምፕል መሆናቸውን ከተረዳው ሰብጀክት እና ቨርብ መክተት ነው። ስለዚህ መልስ የማን ነው የሚሆነው? ሲ ብለን ነው የምንመርጠው ነው። ምክንያቱም ሰብጀክት ሚስድ ሆኗል ነው። ይሄ ይታያችኋል አይደል? ሰብጀክት ሚስድ ሆኗል። በኤግዛምፕል ብቻ የተሰደረ የተቀመጠ ወርድ ነው ያለን። so that's another case please. ሰባተኛ identify the type of fragment ነው ማለት actually ቅድም ወደ 9 10 አይነት ፍራግመንት የሚፈጠርባቸው መንገዶች አይተናል። to finish the project before the deadline. To finish the project before the deadline. What kind of sentence fragment is this no? Subordinate clause. Is there any subordinate clause? No subordinate. Subordinate የሚላችሁ በሪላቲቭ ክሎዝ ኦን በአድጀክቲቭ ክሎዝ በናውን ፍሬዝ ወይም በታይፕስ ኦፍ አድቨርብስ ወይም በሰቦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጀክሽን ሲጀምር ነው subordinate. when, as, if, although, though ምናምን ሲጀምር subordinate clause ነው። አልጀመረም ይሄ be an infinitive phrase because it begins with the word to. So the sentence is an infinitive phrase. And a positive phrase አይደለም, a participle phrase አይደለም. So the answer is what? An infinitive phrase ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ ልክ ቅድም ያየነው ነገር አረፍተ ነገሩ በኢንፊኒቲቭ phrase ሊጀምር ይችላል። ልክ እንደዚህ to finish the project before the deadline. incomplete. To finish the project before the deadline, everyone should work hard or everyone should activate the work based on the schedule. Complete ላደርገው ይችላል. yes, because I understand the infinitive phrase and based on that I try to complete the question with confidence. okay, complete ላደርገው ይችላል ያለ ምንም እንትን. This is also another way please. question number 8 ስምንተኛው መንገድ ይሄ ነው። ስምንተኛው መንገድ የሚጠይቃችሁ ምንድነው? find the fragment in a paragraph. እዚህ ፓራግራፍ አለ ፍራግመንቱ ምንድነው ነው የሚላችሁ። read the paragraph below. Which sentence is a fragment here? Cute. The team celebrated that victory. The team celebrated that victory. Yeah? What's the problem here? Is it a fragment, by the way? Now, the team subject celebrated the victory. Possible, no. Meaningful, no. Cheering loudly and hugging each other. Cheering. It begins with a children. No subject, no verb. It begins with a participle. A participle. It's incomplete. It's a fragment. The coach smiled with pride. Subject, verb, prepositional phrase, of course, possible. They had worked hard all a season. Subject, verb, and that's called couplement, possible. So the answer is sentence to ካላችሁ ተግባብተናል ማለት ነው። sentence to ቅድም ልክ እንዳልኩት በጀረንድ ነው የጀመረው። ሜን ክሎዝ የለውም። ይሄ sentence fragment ትሉታላችሁ። sentence ምን ጊዜም አንድ አረፍተ ነገር በጀረንድ ጀመረ ማለት ምን ያስፈልገዋል? ሜን ክሎዝ ያስፈልገዋል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ሜን ክሎዝ የለውም exactly. What is missing here? ምንድነው ሚስ የተደረገው ነው የሚላችሁ? ምንድን ሚስ ተደረገ? Yes. It's a fragment, please. Danced all night at the party ነው የሚላችሁ. Yes. Danced all night at the party. So what's missed here? She danced all night at the party. ይቻላል. No subject here. Verb plus another element ተቀምጠዋል. Right? The problem is no subject is written here. It makes sentence fragment. ቅድም ያልኩት ነገር ነው። ለምሳሌ the girl danced all night at the party. The artist danced all night at the party. Or I danced all night at the party. The families danced all night at the party. Of course, ልክ ነው። say subject የተለያየ subject ክተቱለት possible ነው። possible ነው። ይልማት ትችላላችሁ or the girl ማለት ትችላላችሁ or the boys ማለት ይቻላል like that. The boys ማለት ትችላላችሁ danced. That's right. These are the ways of completing for the fragment, please. የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ open ended questions ናቸው። open ended ማለት ተጀምሮ የቀረ አረፍተ ነገር ነው። እሱን እንዴት እናሳክለው እንችላለን? Choose the fragment by adding an independent clause. You may add clause before or after the fragment. Or the weather was terrible. Yes, although the weather was terrible. So ምንድነው የሚለው? subordinate clause ነው አይደል? subordinate clause. Let me finish it. Yes. ይኸውላችሁ although the weather was terrible, let me put a comma here. We went outside. We went outside. Alright, we went outside. ይቻላል። ምንም እንኳን የአየር ጸባዩ አስቸጋሪ ቢሆን ወደ ውጭ ነው። We enjoyed our holiday. Or you can say we enjoyed our holiday. Holiday. Alright, another means አለን። ካልሆነስ ሌላስ? Although the weather, look here. We enjoyed our holiday. We went outside. ሌላ መንገድም ይኖረናል please. Although the weather was terrible, the match, yes, the match was not postponed. These are the different options that I possibly complete this fragment, please. ይህን fragment በእንደዚህ የተለያየ መንገዶች complete ላደርገው እችላለሁ please. complete ላደርገው እችላለሁ. Anyway, these are some of the types of questions that you are going to deal with, and I told you about, or I show you about what are some of the best ways that pushes or encourages fragment happiness. I think you can watch the video and try to have some key points about fragment. So my approach today is quite different from the previous 2 videos. So I think you will get something which is important for writing coherent paragraph and coherent and meaningful sentences. Thank you for watching, but don't forget please share, subscribe and write comments. Bye bye.